Hello, champs. This is your Tech Tricks, your solution finder. Today, our video going to be short. We are going to solve a Stack Overflow question, and it will be quick and easy. So the video will not grasp more than 10 minutes, I guess. I'll try to keep it simple or videos. Let's get into the problem. So this is the given input data for us. So they have a column called team and deliverable and the date. So they want to group by at the team and the date. Wherever there is a multiple values for delivery, they want to bring it into a single cell. So basically, they want to combine the text in a single cell wherever there is a repetition in team one and the date. So let's get to the Power BI and start our work. I have imported the data. Now we are in our Power Query editor. So let's do our basic investigation to the data. Okay, we have the first row as not heading. So let us just go to the transform and then use first row as a heading. Okay, now this fixes the problem. Now what we have to do is we have to group by on the team and the date which the requester needed and bring all the deliverable into a single cell as we see in Excel. So initially let's start with group buying it. Select the column that we want to create a group by. Click on group by button and you should be having a multiple selection already. Then let's rename this column to deliverable as this would be our column name. Now let's switch it to sum for a while and then select the deliverable. So as soon as we do this, this will throw an error because this deliverable is not a numerical value and it is a text form. You cannot sum a text form, it will throw an error. Here is where our trick comes in. Let me show you how it's done. So as soon as you click on it, you would get an error because we are trying to convert a non-numerical value and doing an aggregation on that, so which is why it's throwing error. So let's head to our M query. Just in case if it's not available, you can also go to the advanced editor and get it. And let's head to our list. So this is what the M query tells. So it's going to group by and on the team and the date, and it's going to create a column called deliverable on each list. So here is a trick that we have to do. So we don't want to list and submit. Instead of that, we want to combine the text. Let's head to our function text manipulation. So under that we have text dot combine. So this is the column name that we want to combine. After that, we're just going to say comma and we are going to add our text splitter. So here we could go for semicolon or a comma or anything. So let's go with comma, semicolon, and as soon as you hit enter, you will get to this view. So now let's go ahead and apply it. And the manipulation is done. Now we are able to see everything in the required format we want, but we have to get it into a matrix format so that we can fulfill the complete requirement. Let's head to the desktop view. So select the table that we want. So now I already selected a table view and drag and drop date column and a team column and a delivery column. So now we are just getting the same view as we got it in the Power Query. So let's switch it to matrix and we are going to just drag and drop and flip it around. So we want the team to be in the row and the date should be in the column and our deliverable should be the value. So here we go. So now we have the format that we wanted. So let's go ahead and turn off the total and total and just trim it. Go to the view and select a stale minimum, or I would say spare. No, let's look. Okay, this looks fine for me. Cool. Thank you guys. Keep sending your queries to TrickTricks gmail.com. I'll try to solve your query for you. Thank you. Do subscribe, share, like, and comment your videos. Thank you.